Will the markets continue to trend down after the election? That's what we're talking about today, guys. This is going to be a short and sweet video. There's a few things that I want to punch on, like the stimulus, the presidential election, and what the markets usually do around that time, and then the cases of the pandemic that's been going on. And we're going to take a look at the markets as well, the Dow Jones, to see what it's been doing in the last 6 months, in the last month. So guys, stay tuned. My name is Chris. Please hit that spicy like button, hit the subscribe button. We're this close to getting to 100 subscribers, so please do that for me and let's get started. All right, guys, let's take a look at the Dow Jones and what it's been doing for like the last 6 months, because that's what really matters overall. Whenever you look at this dip, it looks like a massive dip if you're just looking at it for 5 days. But if you take a look at the 6-month chart, you can tell that it's not really that big of a deal, because back in May, we were at like 23,000 on the Dow Jones, and today we're close to 27,000 on the Dow Jones. So if you take a look at that, then it's really not that worrisome. In the last month, this market has been moving down, but I think this just creates a really good buying opportunity. Really, it's only down about 4.5% for the month. And this really made a lot of stocks sell off really quick, and I think this is a great buying opportunity for a lot of people, and that's probably why the stock market is up today, because people are realizing, hey, we need to buy stocks today. We need to get on this if we want to get some good value in the market. I personally think today is just kind of like an uptick for those people that are trying to buy into the market while the market's going down. So keep that in mind, that this market could continue to trend downwards, especially with the information that I'm about to show you. So as you can see on this article right here, it says negotiations to pass a new relief bill have stalled until after the election. So on Friday, the US broke its single day record with over 99,000 new cases. And on Friday, the House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said on MSNBC, people are suffering, and we know that very well because we represent those people. So she's just saying, we need to get this out, we need to get this stimulus moving, and it doesn't look so great from Mitch McConnell's standpoint, because for him, it's not so urgent. They're thinking about, let's wait till the end of the year. Let's wait until we get it out of the fall, into the winter, and see what's going on there. And this could cause the markets to continue downwards, especially if we don't see that relief bill right after the election. So right here it says, Mitch McConnell's timeline doesn't appear as urgent. New stimulus aid is something we'll need to do right at the beginning of the year. He said it out of his own mouth. So that tells me that this market could start to downtrend even more for the next couple months, which also could create good buying opportunities in this market, because honestly, out of the earnings I've seen so far, they're not so bad. We've actually had pretty good earnings out of the big tech giants just last week, and that tells me that the economy is still going strong right now. Now, another reason this market could downtrend or continue to downtrend is because of historical charts. And as I'm showing you right here, usually the days, the weeks, and the month after the election, the market tends to go down no matter who wins. This doesn't matter if Trump wins or Biden wins. This isn't a, oh, if Biden wins, the markets are going to go down, and if Trump wins, the markets are going to go up. That's all publicity. That's all out there. People are just talking crap, because historically, no matter who wins, the markets do tend to trend downwards, as you can see in this graph right here. But the following, in the 6 months, they tend to trend upward. So it wouldn't surprise me to see a little bit more of a sell-off after the election, no matter who wins. But just because this is historically correct doesn't mean that this is going to happen this time. The markets are unpredictable, and they can do anything. One other big reason that this market could sell off through the next coming weeks or months is because of the Rona cases. In the last 30 days, these cases have almost doubled. So on October 3rd, we had about 47,000, and on November 1st, we had 74,000. And usually these downtrend on the weekend. So like if you're looking at October 24th, 25th, that's a weekend there. So usually they downtrend. I guess they do less testing on the weekends, or maybe people just don't get tested as much on the weekends. I don't know. But it seems to be the trend here, like on the 16th and 17th, 18th here, downtrend, but throughout the week we uptrend, and then we downtrend, and then we uptrend. And since we were on the weekend, October 31st and November 1st, it was downtrending, which tells me that this could continue to go up through the week, and this could continue to scare investors out of the stock market. Even though death rates are lower than they were in March, the cases are higher, and that's scaring investors out, which also could create a good buying opportunity. Now you might be thinking, Chris, what do I do if the market keeps downtrending? I want to be part of the market, but I don't want to lose money. Well, this is a good time to look at your positions. Take a strong look at your positions. Are they being hurt? Are the companies that you're invested in, are they being hurt by the stimulus not coming through, by the Rona cases going up, or by the election? If they're not, and your stocks are trending downwards, that could indicate a good buying opportunity. Make sure that you are in good stocks for this reason alone, because when you are, and nothing's really affecting them, but they're just being drugged down by the main market coming down, that creates a great buying opportunity for you. And also, another thing you can do is look for other good values in the market. A lot of times stocks overreact just because the Dow Jones is going down or the S&P 500 is going down. Make sure that you're looking around trying to find good deals out here, because a lot of good deals are going to present themselves, and this could make your portfolio grow exponential over the next month instead of trending down with the markets if they decide to trend down. And also remember that cash is a position. This is why you need to keep cash on the sideline, because if you have cash on the sideline, then you can take advantage of these opportunities with the market trending down. Warren Buffett said himself that be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. And right now it seems like a perfect scenario for that. A lot of these stocks aren't being affected by these scenarios going on, the stimulus, the presidency, or the COVID cases, but they're still trending downward. And that means everybody's being fearful in the market. And that's a great time to be greedy and start to pick up more shares of the companies that you truly believe in, and the companies that are truly strong companies that you're in right now. This is definitely not a time to panic in the market, because like I said, this is a great buying opportunity. The markets over time always trend upwards, and if you're in strong companies, you have nothing to worry about. The only thing you should be worried about is when to add to your position and how weak these markets are going to get over the next month. If they do get really weak, then like I said, buy in the companies that you believe in. I wanted to keep this video really short and sweet for you guys, because really there's not much to it. The investors are just getting scared over the stimulus. They're getting scared over the coronavirus. They're getting scared over the cases going up, and they're getting scared over Biden winning or Trump winning, when really none of this can affect the US markets. The US markets are beasts. No matter who's been president, these markets have always gone up over time, and remember that and take advantage of these times. So guys, that's all for today. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers, so please hit that spicy like button, hit the subscribe button. My name is Chris. Peace out.